In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website in 20 minutes. We'll start by choosing your domain and hosting. Your domain is your website's address, so pick something short, clear, and easy to spell that reflects your brand or idea. Sign up with a reputable host that supports WordPress. During checkout, register your chosen domain if it's available. Many hosts include a free domain for the first year, and most also provide an SSL certificate so your site loads securely over HTTPS. Next, install WordPress from your hosting dashboard, often called cPanel or Site Tools. Look for the WordPress installer or Soft Aculus. It's usually a one-click process. Start the installer, choose your domain, and create strong login credentials. The installer will handle the rest and set up your site's files and database automatically. Once WordPress is installed, log in by visiting your domain.com WP admin. Enter the username and password you just created, and you'll land on the WordPress dashboard, which is your command center for everything on your site. Now it's time to choose a theme. In the dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Browse the free library or search for popular options like Astra, Ocean WP, or Cadence. Look for a clean, modern layout that suits your content. Click Install, then Activate to apply it to your site. Customize your theme by going to Appearance, then Customize. Here you can update your site title and logo, adjust colors and fonts, and tweak the layout. As you make changes, you'll see a live preview, edit your homepage to add a clear headline, supportive images, and a call to action button that directs visitors to what matters most. Add your key pages by going to Pages and selecting Add New. Create the essentials: home, about, and contact, plus any others you need. Use the built-in editor to add text, images, and embedded content. Keep your copy concise and scannable, and use headings to structure the page. Set up your navigation by visiting Appearance, then Menus. Create a new menu, add your core pages, and set the location to primary so it appears in your header. Save your changes and check that the order makes sense. Enhance your site with plugins. Go to Plugins, then Add New. Install Contact Form 7 or WP Forms for contact forms, Yoast SEO for search optimization, and Akismet for spam protection. Activate each plugin and complete any quick setup prompts. Keep your plugin list lean for speed and stability. Finally, preview your entire site. Tweak fonts, colors, and header or footer spacing as needed. When you're happy, disable any coming soon mode and share your site URL. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.